What do you see when you use your eyes? How do you feel? Do you see it? Who is to say that it isn't real? Why can't we lie to believe it, to believe in something? Look into the emptiness and step into the cold, right between your body and your soul. Deep inside of all of us, there's something left to hold. Even when we give all hope, size enough to grow. I know that we are all too many. We sail on borrowed time, but we're about what we leave behind. So we live our lives. Look into the emptiness and step into the cold, right between your body and your soul. Deep inside of all of us, there's something left to hold. Even when we give up all, space enough to grow, to grow. What do you see when you close your eyes? Okay, so that was me singing Space Enough to Grow by Of Mice and Men. So, this is the only song I know from them, and the only song I will listen, because um, it doesn't have screamo in it. I never really care for much screamo music. Depends on the band or whatever. I'll listen to it, but not so much screamo. But anyway, I know I probably listened to that and I missed a few words or the tunes or whatever, but I was trying because one of my friends told me, showed me the song, and I wanted to sing it because that's a really, really pretty song and I love it. And this is the first time I heard it. So, singing for you guys, that's the first time I've heard it, is a pretty big good job. But anyway, um, sorry if people who know this song, know the song and they get offended by my voice not being able to get the tunes right or whatever. Anyway, thank you for watching.